tonight is our grand opening. So we have a group of investors, friends, and family coming in. They're going to enjoy it for a couple hours, invite, and then we're going to do a ribbon cutting at 7 and then launch our product and be open to the public after 7 o'clock.
Dirty Birds coming here is a wonderful addition to our businesses. Basically, the reason I'm so happy about it is they will be serving very well the neighborhoods within the immediate area, as well as the faculty, staff, and students at SDSU. And they're a nice draw too. Their name is large enough throughout San Diego that they'll be able to bring people from other neighborhoods as well.
You know, when you come in, it's a really good vibe, good setting. It's high energy at times. I mean, the TV setup in here is insane for sports. And like I said, the food's great, the service is amazing. And as far as our wings, I mean, there's a little secret that we do, but we do a couple extra steps to make it really good, make the flavor good all the way through, all the way for every bite, instead of just a frozen product dropped in a fryer and tossed.